This is a 2005 Lincoln Town Car. It has a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include power adjustable driver pedals, a 9-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, a CD player, a leather interior, a security system, privacy glass, a traction control system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.